Hey there, Moneymaker Cafe family. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a hard-hitting topic, the reality of retiring on just Social Security. Spoiler alert, it's not nearly enough to live the retirement of your dreams. Social Security, a safety net, not a retirement fund. Let's break it down. The average monthly Social Security check is roughly around $1,500 to $2,000. Now ask yourself, can that really cover rising living expenses, healthcare costs, and the lifestyle you've envisioned for your golden years?
The harsh truth is, it's more like a safety net than a full income.
In today's economy, relying solely on Social Security is like trying to fill your retirement bucket with a teaspoon. No matter how hard you scoop, it just won't come close. You see, Social Security was designed as a safety net, not a retirement jackpot. Inflation, rising healthcare costs, and unexpected expenses mean that the benefits you receive barely scratch the surface of what you actually need. And that's where a side hustle comes in. Why you need a side hustle? Imagine if you could supplement that modest Social Security check with income from a side hustle. Income that not only boosts your monthly cash flow, but could eventually grow into a part-time, even million-dollar business. At Moneymaker Cafe, we believe in empowering you with practical, actionable advice to kickstart your side hustle journey. Whether it's affiliate marketing, digital product creation, or any other money-making venture, the goal is to build multiple income streams so that you're not left counting pennies in retirement. Start small, think big, grow consistently. Every successful business started small, often as a side gig. The key is consistency, smart planning, and a willingness to learn. With just a few hours a week, you can start turning your passion into profit. And who knows? That side hustle might just be the stepping stone to financial freedom and security well beyond what Social Security can ever offer. So if the idea of living on Social Security alone makes you uneasy, as it should, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscribe button, check out our free resources and tutorials on moneymakercafe.net, and drop a comment below sharing your side hustle ideas. Let's build a community where we help each other secure a brighter financial future.
www.moneymakercafe.net. Remember, your retirement shouldn't be a struggle.
With the right side hustle, you can transform your future, one practical step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.